Let's talk about how to hike Hesten, one of the most incredible viewpoints on Senja Island, Norway. The trailhead is easy to find. It starts from the parking lot near the village of Fjord, the same one used for the famous Segla hike. From here, you'll see signs pointing you toward Hesten. The hike begins with a steep climb through low birch forest and rocky ground. The first section can be muddy, especially after rain, so waterproof boots really help. Even in this early part, the view starts opening up behind you, with the fjord stretching out to the sea. After about 20 to 30 minutes of climbing, the trail eases up onto a grassy plateau. This is the first spot where you'll really see Segla in front of you, rising sharply into the sky. Many hikers stop here for photos, but the best is yet to come. From the plateau, the path climbs again, this time over more exposed, rocky terrain. It's steeper and requires a bit more effort, but the trail is straightforward. No ropes or scrambling needed. Just take your time and watch your footing. At the summit of Hesten, 556 meters above sea level, you'll be rewarded with one of the most famous views in all of Norway. Right in front of you stands Segla, a towering blade of rock that looks almost unreal. Beyond it, the fjords cut deep into the island, surrounded by jagged mountains and the open sea. This is the classic photo spot that has made Hesten so popular. The descent is along the same route, and while it's quicker, it can also be slippery, especially on loose rocks or if the trail is wet. Hiking poles can be useful here. In total, the hike is about 3 kilometers round trip, with an elevation gain of around 500 meters. It usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on your pace and how long you stay at the summit to enjoy the views. The best season is summer, from June to September, when the trail is snow-free and daylight is long. If you're hiking in the evening, you might even catch the midnight sun lighting up Segla. Just remember to bring a headlamp if you'll be descending in the dark. So in short, Hesten is a short but steep hike, suitable for most people with a reasonable level of fitness. And the reward at the top is one of the most spectacular views you'll ever see in Norway.